Hello friends, welcome to recapitulation session on behavior based safety, that is BBS. In the previous session, I have explained you what is behavior, why behavior based safety is required in an industry, how behavior based safety can be implemented, and how safe behaviors in the workplace can be introduced or reinforced. In this session, I will offer you more clarity through a set of frequently asked questions, that is FAQ. The most common question which can come to anyone's mind is, what is the first rule of safety? The rule is safety first, because what you do is what you think and what you think is what you believe. When you believe safety first, it comes in your thoughts and deeds, and eventually you become a safety conscious person and safety comes in your behavior. The second question could be, what is workplace hazard? Hazard is something that could potentially cause harm. We can minimize workplace hazards by implementing behavior based safety. The next question could be, what is a near miss? A near miss is an event which could have resulted into unintended harm or damage. In other words, a near miss incident is an event that did not result in injury or damage but had the potential to do so. A near miss is an opportunity for improvement. If an organization does not have a culture of reporting near misses, many opportunities to prevent accidents are lost. What is the prerequisite of implementation of behavior based safety? For this, you need to first assess the safety culture through safety surveys. This is basically required to assess how much efforts you need to put to implement behavior based safety. Then inform management and workers of the overall safety of the workplace. That means gaps found through safety surveys must be informed to the management as well as to the workers. It is intended to focus workers' attention on their own and their peers' daily safety behavior. What are the steps to implement behavior based safety programs? The first step is identify critical behaviors. Suppose somebody is driving a car. You must know what are the critical behaviors in car driving. How this person drives the car. What does he do? Whether he follows safety rules or takes shortcuts. And then prepare a checklist of critical behaviors and conduct behavioral observations. The checklists are prepared and behaviors are observed by knowledgeable persons who are well versed in their respective jobs. Then evaluate behaviors and give feedback for correction and corrective action. And then conduct follow-up. Follow-up is conducted to verify implementation and effectiveness of the corrective action taken. What is a BBS checklist? A BBS checklist is a tool which is used to systematically identify unsafe behaviors. This checklist is used to record behaviors such as selection of tools for the job, proper lifting techniques, etc. What are behavior based safety observations? BBS observations are recorded observations to improve workplace safety. It involves supervisors and other appointed observers who watch tasks, take notes, and make suggestions to improve safety. How can I improve BBS? Behavior based safety can be improved through trained and knowledgeable observers and by preparing targeted checklists. As I have told you, the checklists are prepared and behaviors are observed by knowledgeable persons who are well versed in their respective jobs. What are the benefits of behavior based safety? The main benefit is ensuring that employees are protected from workplace injuries. Safety conscious workers minimize unsafe conditions. You might be remembering the Henrik's theory, which I covered in the first session. This theory says if we remove unsafe behaviors and unsafe conditions from the workplace, we can control 98% of accidents. BBS enhances employee morale and create a happier workplace. And ultimately this enhances productivity and profitability. So friends, after this clarification, you must be ready to implement behavior-based safety in your respective organizations. If you still have some questions, you can reach me on my email ID shown on the screen. You will get more such informative videos on HSE on my website. Thank you very much. Have a good day.